So it looks good to you. The colors in the screen are fairly accurate. I think I like that one right now. I like the subtle change in color to yellow at the tip there. Or we could go back to stock behavior with a little bit of unstable, or a little bit more unstable. Or we could let it cycle through different colors and pick the color that you want. This will take a while. Or we could get this whole blade just changing color, and we can actually change how fast it goes. See what I mean? Now we can see the wave of color to sort of wash down the blade, and again we can change the speed of that. See, now it's going really fast, and it'll go a little bit faster too. And then this is a sort of my set of pre-programmed colors, which I think eventually I need to turn into some kind of algorithm. And back to normal behavior. That's where things are at.